The Art of Eyebrow Threading. A detailed guide. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll dive into a fascinating topic that combines beauty and culture: eyebrow threading. This technique has deep roots and is much more than just a beauty procedure. Let's unravel the mystery behind this ancient practice and understand why it's still popular today. Eyebrow threading is a hair removal technique that has been practiced for centuries, with origins in Asia and the Middle East. Unlike tweezing or waxing, threading involves twisting a thin cotton or polyester thread to pluck unwanted hair at the follicle level. This process results in precise eyebrow shapes and can also be used to remove other facial hair. The threading process is intricate and requires skilled hands. A practitioner takes a thin thread, twists it into a double strand, and then sweeps it across the skin. With rhythmic movements, the unwanted hairs are caught in the twisted thread and lifted directly from the follicle. The result? Perfectly shaped eyebrows that frame the face beautifully. Eyebrow threading is not only about aesthetics, it offers several benefits. Precision. Threading can shape eyebrows with incredible accuracy. Safety. It's a natural, chemical-free process, reducing the risk of skin irritation. Longevity. Results can last up to 6 weeks, as hair is removed from the root. Speed. A skilled practitioner can thread an eyebrow in just 5 to 15 minutes. Eyebrow threading is more than a beauty routine. It's a cultural heritage. In many cultures, it's a rite of passage, a tradition passed down through generations. It's not just about looking good but also about connecting with cultural roots and rituals. We hope this video has shed light on the intricate and beautiful art of eyebrow threading. It's a practice rich in history, cultural significance, and benefits. Whether you're considering trying it yourself or just wanted to learn about this fascinating technique, we're glad you joined us. Remember, beauty is not just skin deep, it's a reflection of history and culture. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content.